Good job, DP&L workers. The only people who stopped to help. Called Dayton police about 8 minutes ago, and they still haven't arrived. Good job.
People are getting lame on the horn. There goes 2 fighter jets.
We've already been sitting here for 15 minutes. He's gonna have to back up farther than that to get around.
Maybe he's gonna go straight through.
Good job, DP&L workers. Good job. Good job.